guys, welcome back to my channel, and today what I'm going to be doing is decorating my tall lantern that sits in my den. So if you want to decorate your lantern, let me just show you what I used to decorate mine with. You're going to need, if you want to do it, this is just what I did. I picked up a pumpkin from Walmart and it was $5.98, and I really love the different colors to this. And the kind of the old look. So I have a pumpkin. Then you're going to need some of this foam from the Dollar Tree. Then I just picked up some various Dollar Tree flowers that I've had around here, like I used in my lantern. And then I have some of these lights that I think I got at Target's Dollar Spot. I'm pretty sure that's where I picked these up, these little fairy lights. And then you're gonna need some ribbon because I'm gonna put a funky bow on top. So this is the combination that I've chosen. This one is just a warm bronze with almost like a bronzy gold glitter. And like I said, I got all these at Old Time Pottery. This was $2.99. And then this one with the little checks, it was $2.99 as well. And now this one with the little scarecrows, which I think are adorable, it was $7.99, okay? So that's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need something to cut your flowers, and you're gonna need a mat and a rotary cutter or scissors for the bow. So let me cut some things off and I'll be right back. Okay, what I think I want to do first is decorate the lantern, then I'll make the bow and we'll put it on top. So let me flip this down just a little bit. All right, now I don't want to glue this in my lantern because I change it out all the time, but I'm gonna set this right in here like that, and I'm just gonna put the pumpkin on top of that, just like that, okay? So what I'm gonna do is actually decorate this outside of the lantern, okay? And so my pumpkin's gonna be right here like this. Pumpkin's not there. That's about the straightest of the way this pumpkin's made. So all you have to do, this is so easy, is just start sticking these little flowers in here so the pumpkin looks like it's nestled. I love it, okay? So what we're gonna do is just, I think, kind of, I have two different colors, so I think I'm going to be breaking up some of it so it's not just like all this same color. I want to put the lighter and the richer orange. So let's just start sticking these in here. I just think it's going to be really cute. But I wanted something that just looked fall, but I don't know. Like I could have just been out and I saw it walking. Maybe a pumpkin had fallen or was set somewhere on the side. I hope I have enough of these flowers. I think these are the last that I have. If I can, I want to disperse the colors until I can't anymore. So I know you know what I'm doing. I'm just filling this around. When I get finished, I'll be back. Okay, this is how this turned out. I love it. I think it is so pretty. I really do. So what I'm going to do is just wind me some lights, I think, around this. I think that's what I'm going to do. Or I may just, well, we'll see. I don't know. But we will see. These lights are so forgiving. You can do so much with them. I could have put it on the styrofoam and then put the flowers down in it. Actually what I was gonna do, but I got so into it I forgot. But it's not a big problem at all. I don't think it's going to be a problem at all. Okay, and then I want this to end towards the back and side because you're not going to see mine from the side. All right, so I'm just going to set this down in my lantern, and you kind of got to smush it just a little bit because I really made my flowers pretty full. Okay. And then all we're going to do is just put our pumpkin on there. I think that is going to be adorable. I love it. Okay. So now what we're going to do is just make our bow. And I only ended up using, let's see, 1, 2, 3 full bunches and then 2 smaller bunches. It seems like I used more than that, but I didn't, I don't think. Okay, so let me get this straightened out and I'll be back and we'll make the funky bow. Okay, what I went ahead and did was I cut 3 strips of each of my ribbons 28 inches long because I want a bow that is 5 inches long and I want 10-inch tails. And I went ahead and chevron the ends of all my ribbon, okay, for time purposes, all right? And you will need some chenille ties. I usually just use whatever they have at the Dollar Tree, but you can get them anywhere. Okay, what I'm gonna do, you can either put it out here and then just squish it and then pinch it, or it's really easier and quicker to just lay this down 5 inches right here, squish it together like that. Then you want to take this underneath ribbon and give it a twist. Even though this is double-sided ribbon, I found that one side is much prettier, okay? So we're going to do the same thing with this. 5 inches, twist, and we're going to alternate it this way, and we're going to flip this around because it was not double-sided ribbon, okay? Same for this. Fold it in half. Find your 5 inches, just squish it together, pinch it really, then put it right there. Make sure you still have your 5-inch loop. Put it right there. And with this, I'm not even going to worry. I think it'll be fine, okay? And you just keep doing this till you get to the end. Now sometimes I have taken all 3 in one direction and 3 in another direction, but I really think, like I said earlier, that this gives a fuller, prettier bow when you alternate it. But it's just total preference. They're both very pretty. Okay. Then this one is going to go up right like this. And you're just going to flip that one around in the back. And it never looks like much at this point. It's after you start fluffing it out. And I always tell everyone, but I forgot this time, I didn't come up with this funky bow. I saw this on YouTube, Southern Charm Reese, and she really makes beautiful bows and things, but I thought this was just the cutest thing. And it's so easy to give you such a custom, beautiful bow, and you just look like you're so talented, which I love. Okay, then this one's gonna go up like this, and then you're just gonna flip this back one around, and we're almost finished. Then this one is going to go right in here, nestled beside it. And we're gonna flip this around. And then we're on our last one. And then it's going to go up straight, okay? Now, all you have to do, and you should have been holding this really tight, I think I maybe let mine slip a little. Find the center, take your chenille tie, find your center, take your chenille tie, pull it very taut towards the back, and just twist it, twist it, twist it. Okay? Now it doesn't ever look like much like this, but then you start to fluff it, and that's really where the magic takes shape. I mean, it's just gorgeous. And put your bows where you want them, how you want them. And wired ribbon is best to use. It will give you a much better result. Okay, to attach this, I'm pretty sure I'm going to use this ribbon. And it doesn't have to be real long, but it does need to be long enough so that you can tie a bow in it, in the back. And that way it won't mar your lantern. Okay, so now to attach your bow that you've just made to your lantern, all you have to do is, don't forget to chevron your ends, and I just do that by folding it and cutting it up like that from the wired edge, but you can do it either way. I just have better fortune when I do it this way. All right. Then put your ribbon facing up, and then I usually fold it in two to find my center. Then you're going to get the chenille tie that you used to put around your bow, and then find out which way you really like your bow the best. Flip it upside down, and then just twist this on there. It is so easy. Then you've secured your bow to your ribbon. Now all you have to do is just go up here and put it around. And I usually, because I'm short, let me push this up. I usually have to stand on something. Okay, then you just want to bring this around behind and snug it in and tie you a really cute bow. But it gives you such a nice look. And then this is how it's attached to the back of the lantern, which is pretty if it can be seen from all sides. Mine can't. Now this is where you really want to start fluffing your bow and pulling it out like you want. This is really what makes the bow come to life. And you just keep playing with it till you get it like you want it. But here it is. I think it is adorable. You can see the bow. It's so pretty. And then the lantern, it just really sets it off. It's kind of hard to see because it is so large. But I really do love how it turned out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.